What if I told you the system you trusted your whole life was never built to make you free, but to make you obedient? Think about it. For years, we are taught what to memorize, when to sit, when to stand, when to speak, even when to ask permission. And somehow, this is called education. But if education is supposed to prepare us for life, then why do so many graduates feel lost in real life? Why are we taught calculus, but not money, history, but not power, grammar, but not independent thinking? Because the modern education system was not originally designed to create innovators. It was designed to create workers, disciplined workers, people who follow instructions, people who fit into systems. And if you look closely, school often resembles a factory more than a place of awakening. Bells control movement, standardized tests measure worth. Students are pushed through like products on a conveyor belt. Compliance is rewarded. Curiosity is often punished. The student who memorizes is praised, while the one who questions too much is called difficult. But intelligence was never meant to be reduced to grades. Some of the greatest minds in history would have been labeled failures in ordinary classrooms, because real intelligence is not memorization. It is imagination, problem solving, creativity, and courage to think differently. Yet from childhood, many of us are conditioned to obey. Raise your hand before speaking. Follow the syllabus. Don't challenge authority. Pass the exam. Get the degree. Get the job. Repeat. And without realizing it, people begin confusing education with conditioning. Even worse, many start tying their self-worth to marks on paper, believing a grade can measure human potential. But let me ask you something. In all those years of school, were you taught how money works, investing, negotiation, communication, building a business, managing emotions, recovering from failure? Usually not. Because much of schooling teaches how to pass tests, not how to win in life. It prepares people for employment, rarely for ownership. It teaches people how to seek jobs, not how to create opportunities. And maybe the biggest lie many of us were told was simple. Study hard, get good grades, get a good job, and life is set. But reality has challenged that formula. Degrees alone no longer guarantee freedom. Skills do. Adaptability does. Value creation does. The world rewards usefulness, not just credentials. A person with no degree but powerful skills can outperform someone with multiple certificates. That changes everything. And this is not about saying school is useless. School can be valuable, but blind dependence on it can be dangerous. Because real education begins where curiosity begins. Real education is learning how to think, not what to think. It is reading beyond textbooks, building skills online, creating projects, experimenting, failing, asking uncomfortable questions, solving real problems. Sometimes life teaches deeper lessons than classrooms ever could. Failure can educate you. Experience can educate you. Pain can educate you. Books can educate you. Business can educate you. Even struggle can educate you. The real shift happens when you stop seeing yourself as a student chasing approval and start seeing yourself as a learner chasing mastery. Because those are not the same thing. Use school, but do not let school define your limits. Take the degree, but build the skills. Learn the syllabus, but study life too. Question more. Create more. Think independently. Because the goal was never just to become a well-trained employee. The goal is to become someone impossible to control through fear or conformity. And maybe real education starts the moment you stop accepting everything you were taught without question. So ask yourself, what has life taught you that school never did? Because the answer to that question may be the beginning of real education.